When work on the structure has been completed, the scaffold will need to be dismantled. On the map screen, tap the scaffold pin to dismantle, tap the status, and select Dismantle. You will have the option to create a new request to dismantle. This means that the dismantle needs to be approved before it is actioned. Or select Create a new Scheduled Dismantle. This will allow you to create the dismantle activity without needing to approve it. In this example, we are going to select to create a Scheduled Dismantle, and then tap the tick icon. This will launch the activity screen where we can add any necessary information, such as the date needed. When done, tap the tick icon to create the activity. The scaffold status will still be standing because the activity has only been created and not started. We will need to select the status again, and select Dismantle. This time, the third option will be available with the activity we created. Select this option, and tap the tick icon. This will launch the activity screen. Tap the tick icon to move the activity into the Dismantle in Progress status. The scaffold status will also change to Dismantle in Progress. Select the scaffold status again, and tap Complete Dismantle. In the activity window, tap the tick icon, and the dismantle will be complete. The dismantled scaffold will be removed from the mobile app.